Hi guys, it's Keith with Arkenberg Farms here. Haven't had a chance to do an update here recently because we've been awful busy working on the farm here, getting the infrastructure built up, getting ready to gear up for next season. As you can see, the first addition right here above me, putting up a 30 by 48 high tunnel. Let me show you the rest of the farm. Not much going on here in plot 1. It's cropped out this first row. This is all getting second cut and cropped out this week. Greens mix, same thing. Second cut, getting cropped out. We got empty beds, so this is all going to get planted over this week. Get ready for some winter production. Put a lot of winter greens out here. We'll see how it works. Not much going on in plot 2 as well. We got open beds, cucumbers are out, tomatoes are going wild, and peppers are still chugging along. Annabelle planted out some stuff in this little bed right here, so I think she's got some radishes, some greens, and a few other things in it. Major addition over here is actually a removal. This tree line is now gone. There was a tree line that ran all the way through here. You can still see them in the distance down here. I'm going to do 2 more beds or plots, like 4 and 6 here will be here and down there after those are gone. Prop house still running strong. Got my last set of lettuce starts right here. We're pretty much past our final plant date. Next set needs to go outside. Some microgreens and more microgreens. And out here in plot 3, we've got all of our trays that need to go out. Right here, we need to get them out within the next week or 2. We got some leaf lettuce started, head lettuce, nice row of radishes here, all the way down. Our greens mix, which that's ready to cut this week, and then the greens mix for the week afterwards. Right now, the way things are working, we're getting 2 cuts, if not 3, and possibly even 4 cuts off our greens mix now that the temperatures have finally broken for us. Well, plot 4 up here, it's doing pretty good. Got some greens mix, more head lettuce or leaf lettuce over here. This all got cropped out. We got some good looking heads coming in. Here's our romaine. There's our myrrh. And toms are just looking awesome. Get a big thumbs up for them. Radishes down here. We have been fighting some cutworms down here. They're cutworms or a bunny rabbit, I'm not sure. That's all getting second cut. More radishes. Got some heads left down here, but as you can see, it's real spotty. There's missing heads all over the place. So your cutworms or bunny rabbit. I'm kind of thinking bunny rabbit because they're right there. Bunch of little round balls. Same thing through here. We lost a bunch in here. And over here, same thing. Real spotty. It was looking good about a week ago, but they seem to disappear more and more every day. Now plot 5 is where the real magic's been happening. Putting up a 30 wide, 48 long Zimmerman high tunnel with 6-inch or 6-foot sidewalls on it. Just been trying to strip things out as we go and build the tunnel around it. Got all my hip boards, base boards, started on the end wall. I'm getting ready to do the end wall over here today. It'll be nice. Got some greens mix just planted over here. Radishes, they're getting cropped out. That greens mix is cropping out. Lettuce is cropping out. It should hopefully get us into our winter production. And down here, just transplanted some celery. We'll see how that works out. I tried 2 different sets. I did it on 5-row and 4-row. Also along here, this whole side, there was a tree line here too that we've taken out. I got one other thing I want to show you. To the south of our existing line, I've added 10 new plots. Got 4 up top here planted, or 4 beds planted. Got spinach in here. Got real good germination on this one. For some reason, not so good germination on this spinach row. And we're trying some all-star greens mix over here. Hopefully have some nice lettuce mix. It's just starting to go. Same thing over here. A whole bunch more beds down there I could play with. I got this tarped off over here. We're going to do more beds, and I'm going to take this again and flip it again. The only reason I got the white side up right now is because I didn't want to undig this whole side, but we'll see how it goes. Then up here, we've got one kind of started, and we'll be able to put another bed and another bed, and I might expand up into the top too. So this year we should have plenty of production. We got a lot of work going on here on the farm. This spring we doubled production. We went from 10 production beds to 25. Now this next season we're adding the greenhouse. I'll throw the cat tunnel up here before long, and then hopefully we'll add another 30 beds, so that should take us up to 55 beds, and we should have plenty for market. Hopefully get into some grocery and retail, but we'll keep you posted. Thank y'all. Have a good day.